Fashion has changed its form after the pandemic. People have become more conscious about the quality and the safety of the fabrics used in the garment they are wearing. Denim is well known for trousers and shirts. But have you ever thought of using it in a salwar suit? Yes guys, you heard it correct. In today's video, we will see it. Hello guys, I'm Ritesh Gua and welcome to another episode of Designing with Ritesh Gua. Let's dive. Before we start the video, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for getting all notifications as soon as I upload a new video. Please don't forget to like and share my video among your friends and relatives to encourage me in making new and exciting videos for you. One request for you, please don't skip the video and watch the video till the end, otherwise the concept won't be clear to you. Denim kameez is becoming popular along with cotton pants or palazzos, often accompanied by a stole or a dupatta. Denim is a very skin-friendly fabric and very comfortable to wear in any season. The embellishment works have recently been shifted from rich embroideries to elegant specific details like pockets, pleats, frills, pin tucks, etc. Let's see the creation process of a denim kameez with palazzos and dupatta. I hope you watched the whole video and understood the process. So that was how I sketched a denim kameez with palazzo and dupatta. If you really like this video, then please share it among your friends and relatives to encourage me in making new and exciting videos like this. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for getting all notifications as soon as I upload a new video. Thank you very much.